Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Out with my son Kevin. We are out in the mess in Arizona, southern Arizona. Actually, not too far from Tombstone. Actually, you can see Tombstone over there. We probably can on the GoPro. Over that way. But my goodness, we're in a bunch of stickers is what we're in. Riding along this mountain range. And we're just out checking out trails, just random picking trails. And I mean, this is deep rough. This is super rough, super stickers. I mean, just rutted. It's some bad stuff. It's not muddy. Don't have to worry about no mud. Maybe a creek crossing, but they're dry. Or every one we've seen so far is. There's snow on some of the mountains here in southern Arizona. The Huachuca Mountains over there, but these here are not tall enough to have snow on them. Gotta get more elevation for that. Just to give the bikes a workout.
There's another split off right here.
What?
Yeah. Look at this. That is marked too.
Yeah, I'd say we go this. Well, I don't know. I'd say we go this one here. Stay on the main trail.
Kind of.
Now we're just gonna have to come back here one of these days and explore all these.
Yeah.
Even like that one with that thing, we could pile some rocks and go up and probably goes on, but
Right.
I don't know what we got here. Oh, it's not, maybe not as bad as it looks.
No, it's not.
Not good, but not bad. Not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good.
Yeah, that other one probably goes off more toward that canyon, I bet. Or in it. Yeah, this main trail right here is, I bet, is the trail that he was talking about that goes up along these mountains.
I can't imagine being a Jeep out here. You'd scratch that thing. There's no way I'd take my Gladiator out through this. I wouldn't mind an older Jeep to bang around and stuff like this, but I wouldn't take my Gladiator. Too much money for something like this.
Yeah, this is where you take like an old CJ or something.
Yeah, the roughness don't bother me in the Gladiator. It's just that brush hanging over and scratching the paint all up. Ain't no way. I ain't into that. That's where I turn around on the Jeep when it gets to something like that.
This ain't too bad of a little trail though.
It's just super rough, but it's a good one.
Yeah.
You don't do her one-handed, you would definitely hang on to the bars and pay attention to what you're doing.
Yeah, that's for sure. Oh, what is that? It's like a concrete pad right there.
It is.
Like an old foundation or something.
Foundation. You never know what you find out in the desert.
Splits off right there too. There's a bunch of split offs there.
Yeah, and they're marked Forest Service roads. Up to mines. Praise the Lord for hand guards.
Yeah, that's for sure. It's really saving my hands.
Yeah, where'd you get those at?
From somebody.
Somebody gave them to you. Oh.
I wonder who.
Yeah, they're definitely, I like them. Even like your factory ones that come on that would work for this kind of stuff. You know, just for brush. They're not good for falling over, but they're good for brush.
Yeah, because them still did fine whenever we were going through stuff like that.
Oh yeah, that's what they're for, just to keep the brush off your hands, and they'll do that. If you're gonna go crashing, which I have experienced that before, you need something a little heavier. I've crashed with them, or not. I don't know how much of a crash you call it, but falling over.
Yeah, they kind of fall over when you say, "Hey, that's a trail," and then you
Yeah.
go down it.
Exactly.
That was funny.
Been there and done that.
I mean, I would have made it. It was that one stupid rock at the bottom.
There's not a one smooth spot on this trail. It is just beaten rough the whole thing. That's what makes it fun.
Yeah, it keeps you on your toes.
Make sure my gun's still on my side. There's so much brush here, it's liable to pull the trigger.
Yeah.
There's not one in the chamber, and it's on safety. And you can't get to the trigger with the holster it's in. So that shouldn't happen. I still don't see no road on the map that we're going to come out to, but we probably will eventually.
It'll probably be a ways away because the way he is talking, it goes a decent ways through here. It sounded like.
We might come out in Arkansas or something.
Oh, that's kind of slick.
I see you way over there. Way over on the hillside.
Oh, I didn't know you were that far back.
I was like, where's he at? He done RUNNOFT. Ow, dang sticker.
It's kind of slick coming up out of that creek, by the way. Slippery.
A lot of gravel, that's for sure. Goodness gracious. Got a sticker in my leg. I'm going to try to pull it out here without crashing. You don't want to let go of your bars any more than you have to.
I mean, we can stop here if you need to pull it out.
I got it.
Oh.
Pretty sure, yeah. About the time I done it, I hit a rock. Of course, it don't matter what you do, you hit a rock. I mean, it's nonstop hitting rocks out here.
Yeah, it's hard to avoid these hanging ones because you go to the left, or go to the right to avoid the one on the left, then you smack into the one on the right.
There just ain't no good choice of line.
Yeah. Right whenever it clears up on one side, it's bushed up on the other. Like, what the heck?
I took some lines that you didn't take, and I'm thinking, well, that wasn't no better than what he took. Oh, we're getting to some rocks up here.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Look at this.
You hit a rock there?
Yeah, something.
Both back in went sideways. Definitely cattle out here. I see the evidence.
Oh, yeah.
In the trail.
All over the place.
My goodness.
Was that a trail off to the right?
Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, it's a fence post there. I don't know if it goes anywhere. It's just I don't see it. Wish it would show these on the map, but it sure don't.
Man, this is quite the little trail here.
It's a long dude, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm glad we took it. It's a lot better than the ones that go 50 yards and turn around.
Oh, no doubt. That's the ones I can't stand. You got to do those two to find these, but I'm still on a full tank of gas.
I got half a tank.
Ow. Stickers, I'm telling you, they've been poking me. They don't sound like you're getting any of them, but
because I'm layered up.
must be. Holy
So even
mackerel.
if I am getting them in me, I can't really feel them.
They're just in your clothes.
Yeah, they're in my first layer. It doesn't look like they're really going in these moto pants.
But now we're kind of going away from the mountain here.
That's why you need to get yourself a pair of moto pants, and then you wear something like thin underneath it.
Well, I got plenty of moto pants. I'm just not wearing them today.
Oh, you do?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I forgot you bought that gear set a while back.
I got
totally
three sets. I got 3 sets. I got the Alpine Star and 2 Fox.
Yeah, I forgot about that new pair that you bought a while back. I just see you wear jeans like every time. I've only seen you wear the moto pants like one time, so I forgot.
Well, if I'm gonna ride and stuff like this, I'd rather wear the jeans because this stuff just tears the moto shirts up and the pants up. And stickers. But I guess that's what it's for.
Yeah.
You know?
And that's also why you got 3 pairs.
Yeah. Yeah. This is about the roughest one for the length being this rough this far.
Yeah, that's for sure. It's nothing but rocks.
Probably not the roughest, but it's the roughest for being this long, and it just continues just rocks, and stickers. You're fighting rocks and stickers the whole way.
Just nonstop.
Goodness gracious, you don't dare get in that middle track. You don't know what's in the middle of that grass. Plus there's stickers.
The stickers is the worst part. I don't mind the trail. It's the stickers that make it horrible.
I don't want to run over them stickers. Ow! You know, I have my shield up and the limb smacked me on the side of the face. It's not hot out here today. It's warm with all this workout of riding, but it's not hot.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool out here, and you can feel it whenever you stop.
Yeah.
Or not when you stop, but when you're going.
Yeah, when you get the air flowing. You stop, you warm up.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, feel it when you stop? What are you talking about?
I realized what I said.
Oh.
God. It's a rocky mess.
We're beginning to wonder if this roughness and stickers ever ends. We're just hoping we don't get a flat, too. I have no idea where this is going to come out at. We're going to see. I darn sure hope it don't dead end after riding 20 miles of this stuff out of here.
That would be crazy.
That'd be bad. Have to go all the way back through this. There's some of those, it's not too bad, but you're like, I don't know if I want to go back on it again. I mean, through all that roughness and stickers. It's not as cool as the ones like up China Base Camp and up in the mountains. Just something different.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the stickers, I wouldn't mind it as much.
Yeah, the stickers is the worst part. It's worse than the rough part.
Whenever you're trying to avoid stickers on the face and the arms, it's a lot harder to keep your bike straight up.
Yeah, exactly. Trying to control the bike, and you're trying not to hit it by the worst spots, but you can't because there's stickers everywhere. Part of the adventure. Part of the adventure.
Yeah, it's called Woodsman Adventures, not Woodsman sits around on sissy trails all day.
That's right. Woodsman Extreme Adventures.
Woodsman on the pavement.
Yeah. Woodsman Street Rides. Well, that's my Gold Wing, and it's an adventure too. I guess you can have street adventures because my Gold
Yeah.
Wing series is Gold Wing Adventure. But you don't bring your side by side out here unless you want to going to expect some scratches, because you're going to get them on one of them.
Oh yeah.
Even on these bikes, you know, the brush is on the side, but you can't ride down the middle, so you have no choice but to drag the brush down the side of your bike.
Whoa, that's a canyon.
I start saying, I hope we ain't going off in that. Yeah, that's a heck of a canyon. Holy mackerel. Holy shimoly. It's a Bobby Dazzler.
These wheels wobble and they try not to fall down.
There's some Ocotillos out here.
They're pretty green too.
Yeah, we're getting into them.
Oh, I saw a deer.
Saw a deer?
Yeah. We'll probably see him in a second.
Better remember where it's at. We might have to eat him before we get out here.
He was right up that trail and went off to the right in the back of that brush.
There he is.
Oh, yep, there's a few of them.
There's another one down there, yeah.
One right there.
Yeah, I see him going through the brush there.
Yeah, I think there's 3 of them.
Saw 2.
2 or 3.
3. I see 3. There's one on back, yeah. Huh.
Nice.
Coos whitetail. We might have to survive out here like Les Stroud.
Well, I got survival stuff in my backpack, so.
There you go. Yeah, because we ain't got no food now. We done eat it. Rocks just crunching, all these rocks. It's about like being in a creek bed the whole way.
Almost.
That dang DUALSPORT throws rocks like stupid.
Yeah, it does.
I already know. Knocked me right into an Ocotillo. Them Ocotillos. What?
I say it throws them softball-sized rocks.
You'll say them Ocotillos are hurt. I bet the old witches didn't use them for room handles.
Oh, no.
Well, guys, we'll probably end this video here because it's going to be too long. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.